If you are working on a custom project where you want to be able to import a specific font, a commercial font that you're purchasing or one that you're converting, you can follow our custom font settings here. So there's a link to this font squirrel, which is a web page where it will generate a WOFF font file for you. So you can upload a font, you can just use the basic conversion and it'll give you a folder, and in the folder you'll find WOFF, which is the type of font that you'll want to use and upload to Showit. In order to do that, you'll want to upload the file to the media library. So going back to media library, I just created a folder that's called fonts, and I just add my WOFF files here. Once they're in the library, then they will show up in this drop-down tab here, and you'll be able to preview and add them, add a name here, and that is how you would add a custom font. If you're purchasing a commercial font, what you're going to want to do, for example, here's on my fonts, you're going to want to purchase the web font for self-hosting. So the self-hosting one should provide you a WOFF format already, because you will not be able to convert a font that's purchased on My Fonts on the Font Squirrel. So you won't be able to take a desktop one. You'll have to get a specific license for the web font. That'll give you that specific WOFF file. Then you'll do the same thing within Showit. You'll upload it to media. It'll be available in this list, and you'll be able to give it the name that you want to appear in Showit and add it to your font list there. Now, as you're working and adding fonts and removing fonts maybe from a design, make sure to clear out any fonts that you're no longer using in a design. So you can just click the X to remove them. Keep in mind, if for some reason you are removing a font that is still used in your design, it's now going to default to the browser font. Whatever is default to the browser will be what will be used if it cannot load a font file. So that's a little bit about setting up fonts. Google Fonts are definitely the preferred method for any designs that you plan to sell and distribute to many people. Thanks.